How to use Spocket with Shopify for dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Spocket with your Shopify store for dropshipping. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys need to do is you can go to your Shopify store and you will just log into your store. If you do not have a store on Shopify, you can create one by going to shopify.com. Shopify is an online platform that allows you to create your own store and sell products. It's a really famous store, and especially if you are US and EU based, then you definitely need to create an account on Shopify and get started. So it is also a very beginners friendly platform, and you will be able to list your products and sell them online. When it comes to Shopify, dropshipping is a way we can create and add products on Shopify. So if you are looking for EU and US based products and you want to add them, you want to dropship them, then you should go to Spocket. So you can go to app.spocket.co and you will land right here. You can see this is a platform and you can sign up for Spocket as well for free. All you need to do is just enter your email address and you will get your account. So you just need an account on your Shopify store. You have a store here, and then you're going to create an account on Spocket. Again, just enter your email address and you will get your account. So here on Spocket, you will be able to see we have a lot of different products that we can go for. Trending high quality products are available for cheap prices. The shipping price is not that much, and also the duration of shipment is not much. It's just like 1 to 3 days. Very good products. US and EU based products are found right here on Spocket. So we want to connect our Spocket to our Shopify. For that, you can go to your Spocket first. On your Spocket, you will find the shop option right here at the bottom. Click on shop and it will allow you to connect different types of shops. We have Shopify, BigCommerce, Wix, eBay, Squarespace, Square, Ecwid, and more. So what I'm going to do is I will be connecting Shopify. So we're going to select this option. And now we have to add our shop URL. So you're going to go back to your shop right here and you can see this is my shop name and we have like myshopify.com here. So I'm going to copy this one. All you need to do is just copy your URL and paste it right here. So now it has been pasted, myshopify.com. So now you can see it's a valid URL. I'm going to click on connect store. And now you can see it's redirecting. It will take me to my Shopify store. And this way, Spocket will be connected. So here we have the install app option. We can also actually go to Shopify app store and look for Spocket there and add Spocket to Shopify. Or you can go to your Spocket and then find Shopify. So now you can see that the app has been installed. If I take you to my apps and sales channel, let's actually go back. So you can see we have our home here. And I'm going to take you to settings. Inside settings, you're going to click on apps. Here we have apps and sales channel, right? And here we have Spocket. So now it has been installed in my Shopify. So if I go back to Spocket now, it will have the option of Shopify, and I'll show you how to import different products and how to dropship. So now we have our store connected. We are getting an import list. How to import products? You will search for the right products first. How we can search for right products? Well, you can see we have ships from. First, you can select if it's EU and USA. So I'm going to go with USA right here. If you want to go for premium products, I'm not going to do that. Fast USA shipping. Yes, I want that. I want a fast shipment. Then we have USA shipping under $5, and then we also have some of the other, for instance, we have inventory filter as well, and then we have sort by. We have prices low to high. I'm gonna go for low to high. So we have added the best filters to get the best results. Now I am getting some of the products right here, and I actually deal in women's clothing, so I'm gonna search for something like that. We have clothing and beauty, so I can go to women's clothing here, and it will show me the right products for me, and I will import the products from here. So you can see we have some trending products going on here. So I'm going to scroll down now to find the right products. We will be able to see. So you can see I actually went for prices low to high. So it's showing me products in like $2 or $3. So this is like a listing fee here that I got. I can also kind of like sort by maybe like prices from high to low to get the high quality products. All products are high quality, but it just like depends. If it's expensive, I will be able to get like more designs and some of the more good products. So here we have in women's clothing, we have activewear, we have t-shirts, we have socks, leggings, and jeans and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I can actually go and customize my search. I'm looking for tops and blouses, so I'm gonna search for this one. On Spocket, we have a lot of products. Like there are millions of products here that are available, and we have winning lists and products too. So it's actually very easy to find the product you are looking for, and you get a lot of variety that we want on our Shopify store as well. And we will be able to get the best products from Spock and add them to our Shopify now. So here we have our products. You can see these products look actually pretty impressive. You can see this one is a really nice top. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually open it up and we can add it to our import list. Similarly, I can find other products too, and I will add them to my listing. You can see high quality products, and these products actually look really impressive. And these are from USA. You can see we have delivery time given at the bottom. We have a shipping fee as well. You can see some of these products are free shipping. This is actually pretty good. We have this one for free shipping here, and the retail price is also given, and the listing price is given, and you can now drop ship this product, of course, and earn your profit, make your money. This is how we can create an import list. So once you import all of these products, the import list can be found right here. And then we have the product section here too that will show me the products that I have, listed with Spocket. So you can see right here, this will show me my search list of the products that I have here. Now on Spocket, we can not only find US and EU based products, but we can also find AliExpress products. But with Spocket, we will be able to actually get it for 100% free. And all we need to do is just download this, extension, this app, so that we can also use AliExpress with Spocket. And then we have winning products here, private label, and image search. So basically, Spocket is used for US and EU based products. So if you have a Shopify store based in US and EU, and even if you're not based there, but you want products from there, then you will add Spocket to your Shopify. It's actually really easy. And with Spocket, we will be able to find a variety of products and add them to our Shopify. There is also a pricing plan on Spocket, so let me show you so that you will have a better idea. We can get a 14-day trial, and there is a free Spocket version available for just $0. And we have this plan for entrepreneurs and who want to browse Spocket's catalog product. Then we have starters for $29.99, and then we have a pro for $49.99, and then there is an empire for $99.99. And so you will be able to find different products here, and we have email support available. Of course, with upgraded pricing, you will be getting more features. You can also switch to the yearly plan here, and you will be able to save. And this is now going to be $24 per month pro one. The empire is going to be $57 per month, and then the unicorn is going to be $79 per month. So you can get started with Spocket and then add it to your Shopify just how I showed you. All you need to do is you can actually open up your app store here and add Spocket, or you can go to your Spocket dashboard and just click on the connect store and connect your Shopify. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.